Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I will show you how you can draw a realistic nose with a very basic method. So without wasting any time, let's begin. In first step, we will draw the outline of the nose. For that I am using 4H pencil. You can use mechanical pencil or any other lower grade pencil too. Now we will make a circle. And two parallel lines. And smaller circle in between these. And now we will draw two parallel lines for the above portion. And now I am using mechanical pencil for the outline of the nose. In second step, you can erase the reference line. Now I am using 2B pencil for the base. And now we will add another layer of shading using 3B pencil. And now we will make smooth texture using mechanical pencil. In third step, we will cover darker areas. I am using 5B pencil. Here I am using 4B pencil. Now I am using mechanical eraser to create a light spot in the center. And now we will blend this